What we have here is the pinnacle of the Sonus faber catalog. So the Suprema loudspeaker was developed, started 5 years ago, and we made this project as a platform for the next Sonus faber technology, to develop next Sonus faber technology, especially in terms of drivers. So all the drivers are new, and they were designed by our team internally in any detail. So membrane, suspension, motors, everything is new, especially made for this speaker. And the intention is to trickle down this technology in the next products we will do. The first one is the Sonetto, which is the Sonetto G2, which is already using a version of the Camellia midrange. What's special about the drivers? They were designed to accomplish some specific things. So everything on the main column was designed to reach the maximum level of detail and resolution, and especially the bass driver were designed to go fast but not go so deep. In fact, we are using a subwoofer, which is mandatory. The system works with 4 columns, so you cannot split. What's special about the Camellia midrange, as you can see, it's not a rounded shape anymore. It has 5 different cuts, and this is something we are patenting right now. It's a technology that gives us the possibility to have less distortion and go higher in frequency. Also, the membrane is white for a reason. The material, the paper pulp we are using is white, so we didn't paint it. Good morning. We didn't paint it. We didn't add any color to the original membrane to leave it as neutral, as pure as possible. Plus, the suspension of the midrange is on the back, so everything, every part, 100% of the membrane surface is exposed to the listener without any masking. The back enclosure of the midrange is made of cork. We are the first in the market to use cork as an enclosure. Why we use cork? Because it's a natural material. We believe that natural materials always deliver a better natural sound. Plus, it's moldable, so you can obtain any shape you want. And third, it's naturally damped, so we don't have any damping material inside the chamber of the midrange, and this is why the midrange is so clear. Talking about the subwoofer, we are using 2 15 inches long excursion carbon fiber membrane with a huge motor system. Just to give an idea, every 15-inch driver can lift 80 kilo with the power of the motor. So it's a pretty amazing creation, and the reason why we have 4 columns is because normally in every rectangular room you have a perfect point for the main speaker, which is not the perfect point for the bass. So this way you can place the subwoofer where the bass is optimum in your room. To do this, of course, we have to split the signal, and the responsible for the splitting is this electronic crossover we developed in-house, and it's basically seated in between the preamplifier and the 2 power amplifier. So for this reason, everything that is processed by these electronics must be as pure as possible. So we are not using DSP, we are not using digital conversion, it's pure analog. Old school, let me say, full balanced, no op-amp, discrete components, dual mono with external power supply. So really state of the art. The 2 boxes are made by our classic wood and carbon fiber. You can take a look at the back. The system is customizable for end customers, and we invite our customer to visit us in the company to spend some days with the designers. We customize the product. Then it's about 4 months to have a pair, and then we will do the installation at the customer house.